Alrighty, so let me start with this. We got a yz85, like I was saying. We had to rebuild Arab's lemon. Nah, it's a nice yz85. Get TY ready. But let's take all these bolts out. Oh. And I think this is a 03 yz85 rebuild. Yeah, that's a good looking flywheel. Alright, so first we're going to start with the front sprocket bolt. Alright, take the front sprocket off. There. Holy crud. He better clean this bike. This is filthy. I don't even want to do anything. Alright, so we're going to take off the shifter. I can't believe how much dirt is on this bike. It's like really crazy. Well, not in the bike, the motor. Look at this. Like that's bad. Like, you gotta clean your bike. It needs a bath, bad. Get my mullet. Finally got the kicker off. That was a biatch. All the dirt and grime was on there, but that was the shifter. Let's take the kicker off. Kickstart. About 10mm. Got it. Oh yeah, when we were putting a yz85 piston, whole rebuild kit right there. Dang. But yeah, I got the yz85. Whole thing, top, bottom, crank, piston, everything. Put that there, that there. Alright, let's get into the motor now. I'm gonna need some 8mm. I'm gonna put the extension. 8. Got it. Let's get in the motor. What do these clutches look like? Oh, my gloves. Alright. Oop, that one broke loose already. That one's loose. 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 Little crisscross pattern. Yeah, I'll buy a drill. Wait, buy right now. Well, I got one. I just need the adapter piece. Take these off, and then talk to you when we get inside. Alrighty. Yep, all loose. Pop the clutch case cover off. It wants to come off. Little wobble would work. There we go, about time. Clutch plate, there. Now we got the clutches. We're gonna keep the clutches in. We're gonna take the outer part off first. It's another 8mm. Alright, still taking these out. The right hand case. Still working on the cases. Alright, so now finishing 3 bolts. Take off the water pump once this last bolt comes out. I should have my drain pan there. We're good, nothing. But with the bad gasket. He needs one new part. He needs a gasket for that. Alright, so now we got the clutch cavity off. We'll do that last. I'm just gonna work with the cylinder, see what's going on up here. If I can find my socket, here it goes on the flywheel. And then I'm gonna use this. And it looks about 12 millimeter, like I was saying. 12. Then crisscross, remember? Boom. For some reason this one's tight, like it's bad or something's bad. Here we go. And cylinder head. It is a smooth, but it doesn't look too bad. Alright, take off the cylinder now. And if you're wondering why I went from a YZ, I mean a CR to a YZ, because I don't have the parts for the CR yet. And all the parts for the YZ is here. And this YZ isn't for me. This is for a RAM. So that's why. But I am gonna get to the CR eventually. Just gotta get back to work and make some more money and buy parts. Have a CR running. No time though. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, and then cylinder, come on off. Oop. Right in the oil. But here's the other washer. Good. Alright, there's that old gasket. Piston's not too bad. Take off the ring. Still ring. Stuff a towel down underneath there. And then take off the clip. Where's the clip? Right about there. can't wait to get all new tools. Spinning around town. There we go. There we go. Pin is out. Slide it about. Come on, Mike. Oh. We are back. What is up? Second day. Let me stop talking while I'm trying to open up already. There we go. Day 2. yz85. So yesterday, I was saying I went to the store. I want to pick some bits. That way I can use the drill. I got I got a sharp pain in my back. That hurt. Grandpa season. I'm just playing. But I put you on my head and let's get to work. And I ordered last night. I ordered the holder. That way the flywheel will stop spinning. I put on the screen that way. I put on the screen right here. That way you can see what I'm talking about. This tool. Yeah. So that's gonna help me too. Cause then I got another bike coming. R85 build. I got a lot of builds coming. Season's coming, summer's coming, get your bike ready. If you want to hit me up, my Instagram boomway_Tom. Hit me up on your bike fix and see what we can talk about. And yeah, let's get to work. Since I don't got all the tools yet, I'm just going to start with taking the clutches out. Nope, can't use that screwdriver. I'm gonna go get the charger and I'm gonna use my drill. Bang, done. Get it done that way. Already changed the battery out. That's the old one. New battery. I should say. We good? It's full charge and put this one on charger. Living it up. Alright. Alrighty, let's go. Like I was saying, take this apart now. Crisscross pattern. Then I always did it by my hand. I never used the drills all the time, but we're gonna start using the drill. Take the springs out, pop them back there, pop them back there. Oh yeah, after I take the clutch plates stuff out. Boom. There's probably gonna be a little ball in there. You gotta see, get that. Couple seconds. Put that there. All springs back inside there with the bolts. Yeah. It's a big boat, about 17. Alrighty, it's a 19 millimeter. Damn, my glove. But 19. I gotta get the bigger adapter. Now let's use this. Alright, so you start it with this, then you break them loose. Don't script them or anything. But looks like they're all loose. Loose goosey. Loosey goosey. But now boom. That's for the carburetor. These jets. Oh, they look brand new. Carbon fiber ones. A carbon fiber and everything. OB Force 3s. There's good valves. Put them there. Yeah, now you gotta wait for the tools to come in the mail. That way, this can hold and go, and it will work perfect. Alrighty, so now it's hooked up. Just get the socket, put your hand about here, and pressure it down. Boom. It came off, so I can take this off. Boom. Done with that right now. Oh, my gloves. I forgot to put gloves on. See, I was so happy that tool came in the mail. I didn't eat, gloves, safety, anything. Yeah. Alright. Flywheel nut. Right there. Now look, don't let it come off. So this tool comes in handy. I had this tool for my other builds I did. But unscrew that. Screw this in. Opposite threads. So if you take it off this way, you thread this in that way. It's opposite threads. So now you just get a tool and tighten that. Like say you use, I'm not gonna probably use my scripts, but use this, and then a socket on top. Crank it. Alrighty, sorry, I'm gonna use the vice grips because my adjustable doesn't fit. So vice gripped it. 17 on top. A socket. And just turn it. Dang. Damn, there it goes. Came off. Got one more top. Unscrew this. Unscrew that. And then, that's how you move a flywheel. Watch the spacer in there, because that little spacer. You don't want that to put that with that now. Alrighty, so just got these two bolts out. Look at the setup I had to use. I didn't want to strip them, so it was a really weird size. Went through all the screwdriver sizes, all the Phillips, but clamped it here, put it there, push down, turn it out, and then same with this one. Boom, and it worked. It worked. Ow, you sucker. But screw this out. Screw this out. And these little ones. I think I screwed them ones. Yep. Oh, you don't even gotta take them out. And then boom. All your electronics is off the bike. Just like that. Alright, so I really hate how Yamaha uses screws and not like nuts and stuff, but they use screws. So I'm gonna use my technique. That way I don't script the screws. And just put that there. Push down. Look, that one's stripped. What the hell? Try this one. Alright, that's a good screw. At least there's one. Alright, let's try. Boom. That's a good screw. Now you're inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Good. Good. No. What the? But get the last one and alrighty. So bad, bad, and this one bad, and that's gonna be a son of a bitch to get out. And here's another technique I use. So since they have these little lips, I'm so happy they do. Just grip it with some vice grips and clamp it real tight, and then boom. See, that came loose. So now it's loose. Let me make sure. Yep. Now this one was bad. Oh, dirt on this bike. It needs a bath. Since I need, like, boom, got it off. Let me double check. Boom. Now that one's gonna be hard to get cause in the case, but let me try it out. Alrighty, so flip it over. Finally got that bolt out. That was stripped. That one, it's right here. I straight drilled it out. Drilled it, tapped it, boom, came out. Went over this side, got the water hose off, unscrewed it, and then pop this off. Let's go all the way around. All the way. Boom, there we go. Come loose, baby, come loose. There we go, there we go. Boom. One casing off. Put that to the side. Alright, so I'm wrapping it up for today. Be back out here tomorrow morning. Take off the clutch basket. Take off the Kickstarter right now. So, one thing that's done. Take off the clutch basket tomorrow. Split the case. Boom. Grease everything, clean everything. And then come over here. And there's the yz85, and then yep, and this is the yz85, and then I got an RM85 coming. That would be next, and then I got the CR85. I'm gonna roll, but yeah, we wrap this up for tonight. I'm tired. Gotta get washed off, and yeah, we did good. We did good.